Hi, Sydney Elementary. Today I'm here to talk to you about promoting effective math instruction in your classrooms. I've recently taken a class through UNK, and I've learned a lot of effective strategies, and I've kind of just developed my own mission and thoughts about mathematics instruction in my own classroom. So I thought I'd share that with you today. First of all, I'd like to show you the NCTM vision and mission statements. And if you're not familiar with the NCTM, that's the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics. You can subscribe to this website, and it has a lot of journals and publications and articles that you can read from that are just really helpful. And a lot of these articles have really helped me develop my own mission. So first of all, the mission of this organization right here, the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, is the public voice of mathematics education, supporting teachers to ensure equitable mathematics learning of the highest quality for all students through vision, leadership, professional development, and research. Now, if we go on to the vision, which is more student-centered, it says right here, the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics is the global leader and foremost authority in mathematics education, ensuring that all students have the access to the highest quality mathematics teaching and learning. We envision a world where everyone is enthused about mathematics, sees the value and beauty of mathematics, and is empowered by the opportunities mathematics affords. Now, for this class, I kind of had to use this vision to create my own mathematics mission, and I'm going to bring that up right here, my math mission. In order for students to succeed in mathematics, I must create a balanced learning environment which fosters critical thinking, problem solving, and collaborative discussion of appropriate mathematical topics for each and every student. Now, with this, I had to create 5 tenets that kind of went along with my mission, and I'm going to kind of talk to you about those in this screencast today. So first of all, the first thing that I would like to show you is an article, and it's from a book, and the author is Tips. Okay, and if you look down here, well, this article is about learning mathematics, and right down here, it says teachers who understand how children develop concepts in mathematics provide a variety of instructional experiences supporting the needs of the learner and the demands of the content. Okay, so a student population that demonstrates diversity in language, background, experience, and specific learning needs requires teachers who understand and respond to the complexities of how students learn mathematics. I mean, that kind of steers away with, how some of us are still teaching mathematics. Okay, we put a problem on the board, we explain to students how they can solve it, we model it, we let them go. We don't often realize that some students understand math in different ways than others do. So I think that this quote kind of tells us that we need to understand and respond to all of those complexities that we might encounter with our own students. Right? Some other important things that we need to understand are having high expectations for our students, for all students, regardless of their background, their culture, their ability level, regardless of all of that, we need to have high expectations. So this article from the NCTM, it talks about holding high expectations. And right here it says, holding high expectations begins with the fundamental assumption of equity, the belief that all students, that's all students, can learn and should be given rich and challenging opportunities to do so. This is super important. Super, super important. If we don't think a student can actually do something, are they going to think that they can do it either? Probably not. We need to be encouraging and show our students that we believe that they can accomplish anything. All right, another article talks about technology use, and this is super important in today's mathematical learning environment, but it has to be used strategically. You can't just sit them down and have them do an app on the iPad that's not very meaningful to them. It needs to be strategic. Okay, so in this article, It says strategic use of technology strengthens mathematics teaching and learning. Strategic use does not imply continuous use of technology. Rather, it refers to teachers' and student use of technology tools as determined through decision making that keeps mathematics and not technology the focus. So oftentimes when we integrate technology into our teaching, the kids just think of it as, oh, I get to use an iPad. Well, we need to steer them away from this. It's not that they're getting to use the iPad, it's that they are getting to enrich their mathematical thinking. That's what we need to think of it as. So I think that we really owe it to our students to teach this way, to go by the vision statement of the NCTM and even my vision statement about how in order for students to succeed in math, I need to create a balanced learning environment that focuses on critical thinking, problem solving, collaborative discussion of appropriate mathematical topics for each and every student. And if we are able to do this, we will be successful teachers and our students will be successful learners. Thank you.